Facebook Messenger group chats are a great and often underutilized way to gain organic traffic for your online business. And no, I don't mean just throw hundreds of people in a group chat and spam your products. That will not work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your engagement and relationship with a small select group of your target audience. But first, my name is Jason Brothers with J Bros Financial Freedom. And if you're looking to achieve both time and financial freedom through residual income, you're in the right place because that's all we talk about here. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Now let's dive into today's video. Messenger group chats are a great way to spread information to the people that you know need that information. If you send a message in Messenger, they will receive the message. Whether they read it or not, that's a different story, but they will receive the message. If you just post something on Facebook, only a small percentage of your viewers will ever see the post. And similar to Facebook groups, the members inside of these chats can feel a deeper connection to you and build more trust, and that can only help you and your business, because when somebody joins your Facebook group, they are one of your members. They're not on the outside. They're in this group. They're with you. And when you have an even smaller messenger group, that only amplifies how much they are included to be a member of your group. This will build a strong personal bond between them to you, and this personal relationship can help you and your business out as well as them, because that's what it's for. So you can create multiple messenger group chats centered around one topic each. You don't want to have multiple topics because if you go off topic, the other members might lose interest. So you just want each messenger group chat to be centered on one topic, and you don't want these groups to ever get too large. I would say 5 to 10 people max. Depending on the topic, maybe up to 25, but even that's really pushing it. Because think, if you were a member of somebody's group and they had like 50 people, 100 people, you wouldn't feel like an exclusive member of their group. You would feel like anything you say is going to be pushed out from the hundreds of chats from these other people. And so you would not engage, just mute it, leave the group chat. And that's what you want to think when you add people to this. They want to feel like they're included, like what they say matters. And so you don't want to have so many people overriding every word that they say. If you add too many people, you'll have people who mute it, who leave the conversation, or even block you. I'm sure we've all been added to these group chats with hundreds of people. You don't know anyone. They're just spamming nonsense, and you leave. And if you ever get invited back, it's just annoying. And so you end up blocking people. That's worst case scenario here. That's not what you want to happen. In fact, there's a certain way that you can add people to these small group chats, and that's by messaging them first. Say, hey, I'm creating this small group chat over this certain topic, and I really wanted you to be a part of that. Would you be interested in joining? You are much more likely to receive a warm reception to that invitation than just randomly adding some stranger to some group chat that they don't know anything about. But when you kindly ask them to join and let them know what it's for, they will like it that much better, and your relationship with them has already grown to the next level. So I know personally on my Facebook group, I have a couple hundred people in there, and when I post messages daily, it will only reach about 30% of my audience, sometimes even as low as like 10%. With the Facebook algorithm, if you post too often, your reach gets even lower than that. So you can only post once daily, maybe twice daily, but that's pushing it. Really, once daily, and that's not very often. What if something happens during that time? What if you want to update your audience on something? That's where these small messenger group chats come in, because you can send hundreds of messages, just have like natural conversations throughout the day. And you'll know that they will for sure receive the message. So if it's something that's urgent, a sale promotions going on for today only or this weekend only, you'll know everybody in that group chat received the message, and at least nothing gets overlooked. You can actually take this to the next level and have it benefit both you and their businesses, so everybody wins. For years now, different businesses have gotten a group of people together and created think tanks where people just brainstorm on topics, on ideas, on how to make things better. And so if you just create your own think tank of other people that's in the same kind of niche or same business as you, who knows what you can all achieve together. Maybe you've learned something they haven't and you can share. Maybe they've learned something that you haven't and they can share with you. You all grow together. So Mr. Beast is one of the most successful YouTubers here on YouTube with over 120 million subscribers. And I've seen an interview with him where back when he was starting his YouTube channel, him and like four other guys would get together in a small group on Skype every single day. And in the interview, he said for 1,000 days straight, which is about 3 years straight, every single day they would just talk. They would talk about what's working, what's not working, what they can do better. And to this day, every single one of those people in that small group has millions of subscribers on their channel, and they have all created a successful online business. I'm not saying that we're all going to be the next Mr. Beast, but I am saying the power of a think tank and having a small group of dedicated people focused on one topic and what you can achieve. So that's it. I just wanted to share how Facebook Messenger group chats can be a great way to gain more organic traffic for your business, as well as build up more personal relationships with others. And if you want to know more organic ways to grow on Facebook, check out this video and make sure you hit that like button because it helps me out so much. I would really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.